Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we dive into the fantastic world of object-oriented programming again. In one of my previous videos I explained the basics of OOP and explained the idea of the principles, but I got a feedback from one of the viewers that gave me a perfect idea to share with you guys. Basically, what he wants to say is that understanding classes is fundamental to understanding how the language itself operates. In OOP languages, everything is treated as an object, even simple variables like strings. Recognizing this helps develop the deeper into understanding the built-in function and inheritance chain of the different objects like strings and lists. So understanding of objects is essential because they are at the core of how Python and many other programming languages operate. So today, on the Python examples, I will try to explain the core of OOP. Let's break this down with a simple example. Suppose we have a string variable called a message. We define our string variable message like this. Let's write hello world. Now here's where it's get interesting. When we create this variable message, Python actually creates an object of type string to create the string hello world. To see that, we actually could print the type of our variable. And we see that output it will be class string. These string objects come with built-in methods and attributes that we can use. For example, we can call upper method to convert the string to uppercase, like this. And as an output we get hello world all in uppercase. When we run this code, Python accesses the upper method of a string object associated with our message variable and return the string in uppercase. But what if we want to add our own custom functionality to strings? We can do that by creating a new class that inherits from the class string. Let's define a new class called newString that inherits from a string and adds a method called reverse to reversing the string. But before that, I will show you that we don't have a reverse functionality to our string class. As you can see, there's attribute error. But now we will create a class new string and inherit from the string. Define our new method reverse, passing self, and return like this. Now when we create a new string object, we can use both built-in methods of a string and our custom reverse method. We can create a new string object like this. Let's write new message. And then we call our custom reverse method on this object to reverse a string. As you can see, we got the output. Let's go even further. Let's define a new method called count vowels. Passing self and define variable for count, then our vowels. and uppercase one. And then we should, for every char in self, if our char in vowels count and then return count. So let's try. Okay, we can take the message and count vowels. And as you can see, we have a result. It's 3 vowels. Indeed, in our string, it's 3 vowels, E, O, and O. Not only build an extra methods, but we also have an old method. For example, the upper. We can also call this for our string. And we see the result. And now let's clarify what's going on. Let's touch upon a crucial aspect of OOP, inheritance. Inheritance allows us to create new classes that inherit attributes and methods from the existing classes, facilitating code reuse and modularity. In our example, new string, we inherit the class string, enabling us to build upon the existing string functionality. This principle of inheritance is a cornerstone of OOP, empowering us to build a complex system with ease. In summary, understanding objects and OOP is essential for harnessing the full power of Python. By recognizing that everything in Python is an object and mastering the principle of OOP, you unlock the limitless possibility in your coding journey. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it helpful in understanding of how objects work in Python. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and happy coding!